In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put button links on your Steam bio. First, open the Steam client and sign into your account. At the top of the window, click your profile name, then choose View My Profile. This opens your public profile page so you can make edits that others will see. Near the top, click the Edit Profile button. You'll land on the General tab by default, which is exactly where you want to be. In this tab, look for the Summary section. This is your bio area, and it's where we'll add the button style links. Steam uses BB code to format links, so you'll type them in a specific way. In the summary box, add a link in this format. Open square bracket. URL equals your link, close square bracket, then your button text, followed by open square bracket, /URL close square bracket. For example, your button text could be something short like profile, screenshots, or workshop. Replace your link with the full web address or your custom Steam profile URL. Using the complete URL, including the HTTPS part, helps ensure it's recognized correctly. You can include several of these links in the same summary box to create multiple buttons. To keep them neat and easy to read, separate each link with a space, a dash, or a line break. Short, consistent labels help them look clean and intentional. If you want them on separate lines for a stacked look, just put each link on its own line before you save. Carefully check your syntax. The brackets and the slash need to be exactly right. And there shouldn't be any extra spaces inside the brackets. Every link you open with URL equals must be closed with /URL. If a link doesn't show up as clickable later, a tiny typo here is usually the reason. When you are happy with how your summary looks, scroll down and click Save or Save Changes. Then head back to View My Profile to see how the links appear publicly. If anything seems off, maybe a label is too long or two links run together, go back to Edit Profile, adjust spacing or line breaks, and save again. A couple of quick tweaks can make the layout feel polished. That's it. Thanks for watching.